Embark on a poignant and informative guided walking tour of Lower Manhattan to explore the World Trade Center complex and learn about the tragic events of September 11, 2001. This tour provides a unique opportunity to hear dramatic stories of survival, learn about the heroism of first responders, and understand the renewal of the neighborhood. Your knowledgeable guide will lead you through the World Trade Center complex, providing insights into the history of the Twin Towers, the events of 9/11, and the impact it had on the city and the world. You'll visit the site of Ground Zero, where the Twin Towers once stood, and hear stories of courage and resilience amidst the devastation. As you walk through the complex, you'll also see notable landmarks such as the Oculus, a futuristic transportation hub designed by Santiago Calatrava, and the Winter Garden, a stunning glass atrium that has been restored after the attacks. Your guide will provide detailed information about the ongoing redevelopment of the World Trade Center site, including the One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, which stands as a symbol of hope and resilience. After the guided walking tour, you'll have the opportunity to visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum on your own. The memorial features twin reflecting pools with the names of the victims inscribed, and the museum houses a vast collection of artifacts, exhibitions, and multimedia displays that provide a powerful and emotional tribute to the events of 9/11. This tour offers a solemn and meaningful experience, allowing you to pay tribute to the victims and gain a deeper understanding of the impact of 9/11 on New York City and the world. It's a compelling journey of remembrance, reflection, and renewal.